You can't do a single push-up? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll do your first real push-up with perfect form. Let's start. First, let's talk form, because most people mess this up right from the start. Start in a high plank position, hands right under your shoulders, not out wide like you're doing an interpretive dance. Keep your body in a straight line, head, shoulders, hips, and heels. Pretend someone put a broomstick along your back. That's your goal alignment. Now, as you lower down, elbows should go at about a 45-degree angle from your body, not flared out like a chicken. Chest goes down just before touching the floor, then press back up, fully extending your arms. Engage your core. Squeeze your glutes. Yes, your glutes. They keep your lower back stable. Form first, reps later. You'll thank yourself. All right, so what if regular push-ups feel impossible right now? Totally fine. Here's how to build up to them. Level 1, wall push-ups. Start standing, hands on a wall, body at an angle. This teaches your body the push-up motion without fighting full body weight. Level 2, incline push-ups. Next, move to an elevated surface, like a bench, table, or sturdy chair. Same form, but you're getting closer to the floor. This builds more strength in your chest and arms. Level 3, knee push-ups. Once that feels easy, drop to your knees. Keep a straight line from head to knees. This version helps you learn control while still using decent resistance. Level 4, full push-ups. Now you're ready for the real deal. Keep everything tight, body straight, chest down, power up. If you can do 10 solid knee push-ups, you're usually strong enough to attempt your first full one. Let's fix the 3 biggest push-up crimes I see every day. Mistake number 1, flaring elbows. That strains your shoulders. Keep them at 45 degrees. Mistake number 2, half reps. Chest should come close to the ground, not halfway down like you're unsure. Mistake number 3, sagging hips. Your core's not on vacation. Keep it tight the whole time. Remember, perfect form beats ugly reps every single time. Here's your push-up game plan. Do your variation 3 to 4 times per week. Focus on slow, controlled movement. Add 1 rep per session. Progress, not perfection. And yes, it's normal to shake, grunt, and question your life choices mid-set. That's just strength downloading. Push-ups aren't just about building muscle. They build discipline. Every rep teaches your body how to push through resistance, literally and mentally. So start where you are, stay consistent, and soon enough, you'll go from I can't to I just did 20. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Major Muscles, and comment below. How many push-ups can you do right now? Let's see who levels up the fastest.